What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Beyond the Cave. Today I'm getting ready to start this week's Fentazi Friday. So basically I'm going to go in and look at what I have, kind of try to structure the song a little bit, manipulate any sounds I think I can work with, and yeah, just kind of get started. So let's dive right into it and see what we can come up with. Alright, so I've finished kind of putting together an idea, at least a starting point, and I kind of like where it's going. I'm sure it will change a whole lot before I'm finished with this project, but I figured I would give you guys a little taste of what it sounds like and show you guys where I'm going so far. So as you can see, it's still very rough. There is an outline of an idea starting to form. There's a lot of work to be done. I will probably add some other samples, definitely some drum samples like some kicks, some snares, you know, the basics. And then I will go in and see if maybe I should write a melody or maybe use a sample or just kind of play with the idea and see what I come up with. So I figured I would show you guys what sounds made it into this week's song from Monday's video. First off, I have this little like percussion loop thing, this. And that came from the gas pump when I stopped to get gas. I was just kind of messing with the handle and the gas cap and things like that. And that's kind of what I was able to come up with. Over here we have a few different things. Let's see. So this one is I believe that came from when I walked through the leaves. I believe that's where that one was from. This is the chain from the swing set. I also got this little thing, and I'm not 100% sure where it came from. Actually, I might know. Let me reverse it. Okay, so yeah, I do know where that came from. I pitched it down, but it was a clap. So when I was at that performance, everyone started clapping for one of the songs, and that was from that. So I turned it into just a little background effect, which is pretty cool. Then over here I have this just kind of a spooky bell background sound. And that came from the bells when I was at the mission, and I just kind of warped them and added. I think I added a what was it called? A corpus, which is right here in Ableton, and basically just kind of resampled it and got some spooky bell sound. And then I also got so I don't think that was in the video last week, but this was just a recording of the ocean. And I feel like I might have like a couple of other sounds in here, but I don't know where at. So that's kind of pretty much what made it into this week's song. And alright, so I think I've pretty much, I wouldn't say finished the song, but I've gotten pretty close. I think I like the way it's going. I might do a few tweaks here and there before Friday gets here, but basically I think this is what it's going to sound like. So I figured I'd go ahead and show you guys what I got.
I have no idea what that is.
think I'm gonna go ahead and end this week's video right there. I hope you guys liked that little clip at the end. I wanted to spice this video up a little bit, so I figured I would just kind of throw something together for you guys. Hopefully in the future these tech videos will be a little bit more interesting. But I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will catch you guys again next week. Peace.